Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do David Blaine's free count Moute stand-up version. So you need to have two of same cards, Yorker and hearts, then some double back. So when you start the trick, you have it like so: regular card, regular Joker. So you can use which card you want, but there has to be two or same. You can do ace or you can do you choose whatever. Best is if you do Yorker, you can make so. So you start first with these two cards and we take them like so. So do you, and we take it there. What is it? If you get it right or not right, doesn't matter. Then we do a hard version with the double back, and make sure this is on Yorker. So your, not this, utan your Yorker, and then take the later Yorker in the middle. So then you do a Moute move. You switch this, and then you drive so, and you do so, and you do. Then you take Joker on this side. Then you do the Moute move again and place this card there. What is this card? Okay, you got it wrong. This was the Joker. You take the Joker and place it, the real Joker, place it on the bottom, the double facer here, and this. Then you do again the Moute move. Do this. Then you do some. Do so. Are you sure this is there? Then you say you switch this. So are you sure? Then we have this. So there you have it. So you switch them like so. So now or so, and then you do switch, and then you have your. So now you take this one in your pocket, and this are ready in the pocket, and make sure this is front of the Joker in your pocket, the double face Joker. So now I'm gonna switch this car real fast, and when you do it, then you only flip it. So I will make it so fast, switch it so fast. So now I have, because now we have the Joker here. I have Joker in my pocket always along. So you take out the double Joker. Then you do you take then in middle and make sure you have the double phaser in the middle, and make sure this is here. Then you do the Moute move, so, and watch, it will be a heart here, but it's a joker. And of course I have hearts in my pocket. Then after here you take this one and you flip them around. Make sure this is the real one, real back. So you take them and you take the joker, place it there. Then you take this heart, real heart, in the middle. And then you say, look, here is a heart, no problem. Then you take it and face it upward, like so. Then you take this really and make sure, and you say that hearts are in my control, and I don't relieve hearts. So you take the Moute move and you take it there, hearts. So you take this and you take it this heart. Then you do the same, take the joker here and make it so. What is there is just a heart. And then you can do but this not necessary to do. So there was that. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to see how I perform it, leave in the comment so you know the trick.